Hey guys! As you saw from today's title, in this video we'll be looking at a 2.1 channel soundbar. The Sony HTS400 is a 2.1 channel soundbar that comes with a wireless subwoofer and delivers a powerful and clear sound for your TV and music. It has a simple and sleek design that blends well with any decor, and it can be easily connected to your TV via HDMI ARC or optical cable or to your smartphone via Bluetooth. It also supports S-Force Pro front surround technology, which creates a wide and immersive soundstage from just 2 speakers. Designed for those who want to elevate their TV's sound quality without the hassle of setting up a full-blown home theater system, this soundbar offers a balance between performance, affordability, and simplicity. Please enjoy this video, and if you like it, hit that thumbs up button at the end. The soundbar has a total output of 330 watts that delivers a punchy and immersive sound experience. The soundbar utilizes Sony's S-Force Pro front surround technology, which creates a virtual surround sound effect without the need for additional rear speakers. While it may not match the audio quality of a full-fledged surround sound system, it certainly provides a noticeable improvement over standard TV speakers. The subwoofer is front-firing and produces deep and punchy bass that adds impact to your movies and games. The sound performance of the soundbar is excellent for its price range, as it delivers a powerful and clear sound with a wide and immersive soundstage. Speaking of audio modes, the HTS400 offers several preset options to cater to different content types. Whether you're watching movies, listening to music, or playing games, you can choose the appropriate mode to optimize the sound output accordingly. Additionally, it has a dialogue enhancement feature that ensures clear and intelligible speech, enhancing the overall movie watching experience. Powerful speakers work together to deliver wide-ranging sound throughout your room, with technologies such as the X-Balance speaker unit and separated notch edge helping to enhance vocal clarity. You won't miss a word of dialogue in your favorite movies and TV shows. The Sony HTS400 is ideal for stereo content like music and TV shows, as it reproduces a balanced and detailed sound across the frequency range. However, it lacks some features that are common in other soundbars, such as Dolby Atmos support, Wi-Fi connectivity, USB input, or 3.5mm input. It also does not have a lot of customization options, such as bass or treble adjustment or a night mode. The input ports of the soundbar are located at the back, and they include an HDMI ARC port, an optical audio input, and a USB Type-A port for updates only. A simple remote control combines a comfortable hand-fit design with easy and intuitive operation. An OLED display window on the soundbar offers at-a-glance status information such as input source, volume, and sound settings such as sound field, voice mode, and night mode. If this video is helpful to you, a subscribe would mean a lot to me. What that does for me, it tells me that I am building an audience and that I am creating helpful content. The built quality of the soundbar and the subwoofer is solid and sturdy with a matte black finish. The soundbar has a metal grille that wraps around the sides, while the sub has a metal grille that protects the speaker above it. The soundbar has a slim and compact profile that can fit under most TVs or be wall mounted. The subwoofer is relatively large and heavy, but it can be placed anywhere in the room thanks to its wireless connection. In conclusion, the Sony HTS400 is an excellent soundbar system that strikes a balance between performance, affordability, and simplicity. It offers an easy setup process, delivers immersive sound with its virtual surround technology, and complements your living room with its sleek design. If you're looking for an upgrade from your TV's built-in speakers without investing in a full home theater setup, the HTS400 is definitely worth considering. For buying options and more information about this soundbar, check the links in video description. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my 2 next videos. See you soon.